Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to make a skin lightening remedy. A remedy that can help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. A remedy that also can lock moisture in the skin. A remedy that you can use on your face and your entire body. It's a remedy that you can also see really fast. As a matter of fact, I would say you can see instant result. We're going to take two amazing ingredients. We're going to mix them together. Now, one ingredient is petroleum jelly, widely known as Vaseline. As a child growing up, I use this on my skin, my hair, all over my body. I know petroleum do get a bad rap, but it is a humectant that locks the moisture in the skin. A lot of people are now turning back to petroleum jelly and they are using it to slug their skin, especially the celebrities. Slugging means that you apply the petroleum jelly all over your face and you sleep with it. You wake up, when you wake up, your skin is just soft, smooth, and hydrated. So I have a twist to that. We're going to use it for slugging, but we're also going to use it to lighten and brighten the skin. So if you're interested in getting rid of hyperpigmentation, clearing dark neck, knees, knuckles, and also interested in hydrating the skin, especially if you're out there and you have really dry skin, you're looking for that plumpness, that glass-like skin, this video is for you, so continue watching.
To begin, you're gonna need 2 small bowls, and here I have my first ingredient, which is turmeric powder. I'm gonna be using 1 teaspoon of the turmeric powder. Then I'm going to reach for some hot water, run about a half a cup of hot water, and I'm going to just pour it in the bowl with the turmeric, and I'm going to mix this. This looks like it needs a little bit more, so let's go ahead and add a little bit more hot water, and then I'm going to mix and mix well. This is basically just brewing the turmeric. Once this is done, we are going to put it aside to cool, and now let's reach for the petroleum jelly, also known as a Vaseline. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of the petroleum jelly, placing this in a small bowl, and I like to wake up the petroleum jelly by mixing it. This is gonna be a little more on the warm side when you stir it like this. Now, once this is done, I'm gonna reach for some oils, and I'm gonna use some aloe vera oil. I'm using about 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera oil, adding this to the petroleum jelly, and then I'm gonna mix the two together. You can choose to use any of your favorite oil if you do not have the aloe vera oil. So I'm just gonna continue to warm the mixture, and then I'm going to reach back for the turmeric mixture, and I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of the turmeric mixture, pouring this in the bowl with the petroleum jelly, aloe vera oil, and now we are just going to mix it in. Now, a faster way to blend this together is to melt the petroleum jelly. So I'm going to reach for my small pot, and I'm going to add some hot water. Make sure the water is to boiling point. I'm going to place the bowl in the hot water. This way we're basically melting the petroleum jelly, but we're steaming all the ingredient together. This is also going to make this have a longer shelf life. So I'm just going to take my spoon and I'm just going to play around with it, and this is going to take you about 5 minutes depending on how hot your water is. So I'm going to just be mixing and mix well. Continue to mix until you start to notice the petroleum jelly melting. This is going to form more of a creamy consistency, so go ahead and stir. Turmeric helps to lighten and brighten the skin. It helps to clear hyperpigmentation on the face, the neck, and also all over your body. Using turmeric on the skin on a regular will transform the skin for a more lighter, brighter. Not only that, it is good for getting rid of acne since it contains antibacterial properties. When it comes on to the petroleum jelly, it acts as a humectant that locks the moisture in the skin and prevent the water from escaping, that giving your skin a more supple look and also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Aloe vera is also another ingredient that is known to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin, smooth the skin, and leave the skin with a natural glow. Now that the petroleum has melted and all the ingredients are totally blended together, take a look at this goodness. This is the cream that you're going to use on the skin. I like to pour mine in a small jar. Make sure it do have an open mouth, because this, when cool, is going to be more on a thicker side. It's going to be more like a balm. So take a look. This is it. This is your remedy for lightening and brightening, clearing hyperpigmentation, getting rid of dark neck, getting rid of dark knees, transforming your hands to a more youthful look. So you're going to take a small amount, you're going to apply it on wherever you're looking to lighten and brighten and clear hyperpigmentation, and you're going to apply it in circular motion like I'm showing right here. Take a look at this, just this small amount, applying it, and you can sleep with it overnight, or if you choose to, wear it for a couple of hours and then you rinse off. I just want you to see this transformation. I just use it on my hands and you can see how fast acting this is. No need to store this in the refrigerator. You can choose to leave this on your countertop. When it is done, go ahead and make a new bath. Now this remedy is also a remedy that is good to use if you are looking to lighten those darker areas such as your inner thighs. Take a little bit, apply it, and rinse off. Take a look at my hands, guys. This is no camera trick. I just use that turmeric and I exfoliate my skin with it for about a minute or two, and I rinse off. Every time I use turmeric, guys, it just totally blow my mind how fast acting it is. Now if you're interested in more turmeric products, guys, we have launched our skincare line and we have a complete set of turmeric products. We have facial scrub, turmeric mask, turmeric serum, turmeric moisturizer. We also have turmeric toners. Just a complete set of turmeric products. If you're interested in those, visit my website www.alexmaxi.com.
And there you have it, a simple, easy remedy that you can use on your skin. Go ahead, whip it up, use it up, and come back and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.